Hey, how's it going, guys? This is Ernest with UpFix. Today we're going to answer some more of your questions. Make sure you like and subscribe to our YouTube, our Instagram, and our Facebook. From Mike on our Facebook page, he's got a Toyota RAV4 2003 that won't start. So he says, for the past few weeks we've been changing the spark plugs, and just lately when we fitted new set of spark plugs and found that all 4 spark plugs are not sparking. Tested ignition coils, all good. Tested relay and fuse to ignition coils, all good. Fitted brand new battery, changed the wiring from ignition coils to the ECU, fuse box and ground. Full tank of fuel. All this, but the car will not start, and I don't have anything to scan for codes. Is there any chance that the ECU is damaged? If so, can you guys fix it? This is a good question. We get this quite commonly from customers or potential customers that want to send in something. So in that, he says that he's already went through quite a lot of things in a vehicle. He's tested for if there's a spark. He's checked the fuses and relays, the wiring, the fuel system, whether it's a fuel filter, the fuel relay. But also he mentioned that he doesn't have anything to scan for codes. If you can have codes when you scan it, it helps us a lot to know exactly what's going on with your vehicle. If you don't have access to a scan tool, I would recommend finding somebody locally. Now, any auto parts store will actually lend you a scan tool so you can actually scan for codes, particularly just for the check engine light. It's a very basic scan tool, and you'll actually find out what's going on with your vehicle. And if you have those codes specifically, you can provide them to us. We can tell you exactly whether or not we can repair it. Now, obviously, this customer can't move his vehicle because it's not drivable. So basically, he would have to get the scan tool to his location, scan it, let us know what the exact codes are. Now, on the 2003 RAV4, primarily the issue with the ECUs is the hard shift issues. And he's having everything but that issue where it's not starting at all. So it really could be anything in the vehicle as to why the vehicle is not starting. And again, he's already probably checked everything on his end. The best thing to do at that point is to essentially get it scanned, get the exact codes, and if somebody in your area has access to like wiring diagrams for the ECU, you can trace the wiring, see where everything is going as far as relays, what kind of fuses you're supposed to have, and then basically go from there. It may be something simple, or it could be, something, pesky, like having an intermittent poor grounding in the wiring, which can be a lot harder to find. We can always do a diagnostic, but again, since we mainly advertise for this particular ECU on our website, upfix.com, hard shift issues, the transmission is slipping, etc., that we fix. The no start, particularly for this ECU, is not something that we advertise, but I highly recommend you guys visit our website, see everything that we do support for every particular year, make, and model. If you don't see something that you're having issues with on our website, just give us a call or contact us, and we can be more than happy to answer your questions. Let us know if you guys have any more questions. Make sure to like, follow, leave comments below on our YouTube, and yeah, hit the like button, and follow us on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and we'll see you next time.